won't open on this Fiat 500. It doesn't work through the button or through the key. So we're going to have to go and unlock it from the inside, and then we're going to have to change the latch. So fold the seat down, which is done through this little latch. Just push that back, and then you can pull it down. And then right at the back, you can see this is where the latch is, and then this little lever, pull it that way, and it will unlock the boot manually. So next, to get to the latch mechanism, we want to just remove these little plastic pin type things, and then we're going to do one Allen key, which is this strap, so that way we have better access to here. So get a trim removal tool and then just put it in behind these, and then they'll just pop out just like that. So this is a 5mm Allen key. You don't actually have to remove it because you do have space to pry it over, but so we've got a bit more space, and so because we're filming, we're just going to remove this. So now we've got a little bit more room. We're going to undo these two bolts, and then we've got an electrical connector behind, but we'll undo the electrical connector afterwards just so that way it's easier to see on the camera. So let's get the two 10mm bolts undone. That's one out. That's two out, and just push this through, and then it'll come under here. That's it. You've got a little tab just here that we're just going to push that way, and then it'll pop out. That's it, and that's out. Get your new part, and we're going to reconnect it. So just get that in, and then push it till it clips. Now it's clipped in. So once that's clipped in, then we're going to push this through. Now we're going to put the bolts into it. Start off by just hands tightening it. And just tighten them down. It doesn't need to be too tight. So we're going to put some of these clips back, just line them up and push them in place. So now then we're going to put the strap back on, and that's just a 5mm Allen key. now you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.